we have Singh, and we have Angie Long. The charity of choice of the New Economy Chamber of Commerce, and that is Yours Humanly. So what they do is they help underprivileged kids around the world. Do you want to say anything, Angie? You're putting him on the spot. He told me you were going to do the talking, so take it away, Sonny. This is an amazing undertaking, and there's a great man behind it. So really pleased to welcome you, Sonny.
Thank you, Mike. Good evening, everybody. I'm going to make this real short. Pleasure to be here, of course, tonight. Thank you for inviting me. And Vanjie, and we have Alicia, who's also a Yours Humanly board member here. So nice to have two other people from my team. Yours Humanly is an organization that funds local, national, and international efforts to provide underprivileged children in underserved communities access to quality education and computer technology. To simply put it, there are millions of children around the world who are not attending school, don't have a chance to go to school, not even get their basic education, and of course there are a lot of underserved schools in the world that don't have any computer technology at all. So sitting here when I see all this, and then I go in a space in these countries where children are graduating from high school and have yet to see a computer or use one, it's two different worlds for me. So all I'm doing is giving those children a chance to maybe one day be like us and use computers and get their K-12 education. YoursHumanly.org is our website. Please check us out, and I have some brochures if somebody would like after the event. Thank you.
And we also have Angie Long here, who is the community leader, and she is the head of Elements. And she is, I'm dubbing her, the meeting and event planner of the new economy. So we've got a lot of courage